In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. This process is essential for anyone looking to track their website's performance effectively, and it's surprisingly straightforward once you know the steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to head over to Google Analytics. If you're not already logged in, do so by navigating to the Google Analytics homepage. Once you're there, you'll see all your analytics data and configurations. From here, the next crucial step is to locate your measurement ID. This ID is unique to your account and is necessary for linking Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. To find it, look for the settings related to your property. Typically, it can be found in the Admin section under Property Settings. Make sure to copy this ID carefully because we'll need it shortly. Now that you have your measurement ID, it's time to switch over to Google Tag Manager. If you haven't used Google Tag Manager before, it's a powerful tool that allows you to manage and deploy marketing tags on your website without modifying the actual code. Once you're logged into your Google Tag Manager account, you'll want to create a new tag. This is where the integration with Google Analytics comes into play. In the Tag Manager interface, look for the option to create a new tag, usually indicated by a New button or a plus icon. Click on it and you'll be prompted to configure your tag. For this integration, choose the option for Google Analytics GA4 configuration. GA4, or Google Analytics 4, is the latest version of Google Analytics, offering enhanced data analysis capabilities. Selecting this option ensures you're using the most up-to-date features available. After selecting Google Analytics GA4, you'll see a field where you need to paste your measurement ID. This is the ID we copied earlier from your Analytics account. Carefully paste it into the designated field, ensuring there are no extra spaces or errors. This step is critical because it links your website data in Google Analytics with your Tag Manager setup. Once you've pasted your measurement ID, take a moment to review your settings. Make sure everything looks correct and that the ID matches what you copied. Then, save your new tag configuration. After saving, don't forget to publish your changes in Google Tag Manager. This step pushes the configuration live, ensuring that data from your website is accurately captured and sent to Google Analytics. And that's it! You've successfully connected Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. By following these steps, you'll be able to track your website's performance more effectively, providing valuable insights into your audience's behavior and helping you make informed decisions for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!